Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, southern White County in northeastern Georgia, Dawson County in north-central Georgia, northern Hall County in north-central Georgia, eastern Pickens County in north-central The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, south central Raven County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northeast of Cleveland, or 6 miles southeast of Helen, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Toccoa, Walhalla, Clarksville, Westminster, Demarest, Tallulah Falls, Lake Raven, Tallulah Gorge State Park, Long Creek and Batesville. A few trees and power lines will be blown down in the warned area. Hail can cause major property damage, especially to vehicles. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service Greenville-Spartanburg by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Habersham, Raven and Stevens, and Oconee, South Carolina.
Watching that closely as this activity does have some very large hail.
The National Weather Service in